Hello students, good morning. As we have already started a topic indeterminate form, we have also discussed that there are total 7 indeterminate form, from which we have discussed 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, and in our previous lecture we have discussed the infinity minus infinity form. Now, in continuation with that topic, today we will discuss another indeterminate forms which are having the same working rule. These indeterminate form functions are in the exponential form. The indeterminate forms may be in 0 by 0 form, infinity raised to power 0 form, 1 raised to power infinity form. As I have discussed there that if functions are in the exponential form, then statement will be in this form. Any limit will be given to you fx raised to power gx. These two are the functions there. When you approaches limit to the base, you will get 0, infinity or 1. You can get any one of this value there. When you approaches this limit to the power, you will get 0 or infinity. Clear? Now, in our previous class, we have already discussed that any base having 0 power answer is 1. You have done this identity. A raised to power 0 is 1. Same case, 0 raised to power 0 is 1. Infinity raised to power 0 is 1 and 1 having any power is equal to 1. You have done this. Same case 1 raised to power infinity is 1. But when we are talking about a case for the limit, then we are not having the enough answers, enough information related to these identities. That's why we are calling that these all are the indeterminate form. First we will convert it into the determinate form and then we will find out the answer. As I have also discussed that they all are having the same working rule. So let's discuss their working rule first. First of all, we will find out that what type of indeterminate form is there. Either it is 0 raised to power 0, infinity raised to power 0 or 1 power to infinity there. Clear? Then according to the second step, you will put y is equal to the given statement. Whatever statement is there, without in limit, you will write down y is equal to that there. Then you will apply the log. Because power is in the variable form, power according to that case, we have also already done in the log functions differentiation. We will apply log to both sides. Now log y is equal to power will come, fx will be there. Clear? Now according to the next step, you will approach is limit to the both side, either for the left hand side, either for the right hand side. Clear? When you approaches this limit to the given functions, you will find out either 0 into infinity form or infinity into 0 form. We have also discussed this in 0 into infinity form in our third lectures. First, you will convert it into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form by applying the L'Hopital rule. Now, whenever you are in the fourth step and you approaches limit to both sides, you will solve only and only the right hand side. When you find out the answer for the right hand side, then you will solve the left hand side. Clear, bache? Now let us suppose you will get any answer in the right hand side, that is the any value there. I am taking as a x there, any value. Now log will shift to that side. According to identity, log will shift there and it will become the e power. E raised to whatever statement is there. Now, after that, whatever value is there, you will get the answer. You will put same statement and you will get the answer there. These only 5 steps are there. We will follow for each sums there. Now, for more understanding, I'm going to discuss one question there. Using L'Hopital rule, evaluate the value limit x approaches to infinity. There 1 plus x raised to power 1 upon x. Now power is in fraction form. We will first approaches the limit there. So 1 plus infinity is infinity there. 1 upon infinity is 0 there. So it is the form of infinity raised to power 0 form. Clear? Now we will follow the step by step rule. Now according to second step, y is equal to the same statement. Now, then you will apply log to both sides. Third step is there. Log y is equal to, when you apply log, power will come forward. 1 upon x, log to the base. Clear? Then you will approach its limit to the both side. Whatever limit is there, limit x approaches to infinity log y, limit x approaches to infinity, whatever statement is there. Now you will approaches the limit there and you will solve only and only the right hand side. Clear बच्चे? Log 1 plus x upon x there. No approaches infinity there. 1 plus infinity. 1 plus infinity means infinity. So log infinity is infinity. So infinity upon infinity form is there. Though now you will solve it by using the L'Hopital rule. According to L'Hopital rule, you will differentiate numerator, you will differentiate denominator. Log 1 plus x differentiation is 1 upon 1 plus x and x differentiation is 1 there. Clear? Now when you approach is limit again there, you will get 1 upon infinity. So it is the determinant form. Now we have solved the right hand side. Now it is the turn of the left hand side. Now you will put whatever value is there. So 1 upon infinity is 0. Log will shift to that side. 0 will become the power with e base. Log when go to this side, it will become e raised to power 0. Limit x approaches to infinity, y is there. So what is the value of y in starting? Value of y in starting is 1 plus x raised to power 1 upon x. You will put this value at the end there. Limit x approaches to infinity, 1 plus x raised to power 1 upon x. Answer is e raised to power 0. Whatever base power 0 without limit is equal to 1. Clear? Now, I am going to solve one more example with t ratio, which is also your previous year question, that is 2014. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus sin x raised to power cot x is there. Now first step, you will approach is the limit and find out which type is there. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 means 1, cot 0 means infinity. So it is the type of 1 raised to power in form. Clear? Now, according to the second step, y is equal to the same statement. According to the third step, you will apply log to both sides. When you apply log to both sides, power will come forward. Clear? Now, according to the fourth step, you will approach is limit to there. Whatever limit to given you will approach is limit to both sides. Clear? Now, you will solve only and only the hand side. Now, when you approach is 0 here, cot 0 means infinity and 1 plus sin 0 means 0. So log 1 is 0. It is the form of infinity into 0 form. Now, whenever this type of form is there, you will convert it into 0 by 0 form. So cot x is there. You will take benefit of this. You convert it into the tan x. Clear? Now, log value is as it is there. Log 1 plus sin x. So log 1, 0. Tan 0, 0. 0 by 0 form. Now we can solve it by applying which rule? Same rule. L'Hopital rule. When you apply this rule here, you will having the value log 1 plus tan x. Differentiation of this value. Log differentiation is 1 upon same value 1 plus sin x into ddx of 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x ddx is cos x. 1 to ddx 0. So sin x differentiation is 0. Divide sign in between these two fractions. Divide sign is as it is there. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. We can write secant square x into 1 upon cos square x. And this divide sign will change into multiply. When this sign change into multiply, you will get the value there. Limit x approaches to 0, cos x into 1 upon cos square x was there. So it will become cos square x upon 1. The value is cos x into x upon 1 plus sin x. Now you will again approach its limit to this side. Find out that it is a determinant or indeterminate form. When you approach is 0 here, so cos 0 1, cos square 0 is also 1, 1 plus sin 0 is 0. So answer is 1 upon 1 is 1. Clear? Log limit x approaches to 0, y is there. Now log will shift to this side with the e base. So it will become e raised to power 1 there. Clear bache? Now what is the value of y in the starting? Value of y in the starting is 1 plus sin x raised to power cot x. So any base having power 1, answer is always equal to same base. So what is the base here? E is here. Clear bache? Now you will receive one link related to this topic. Go through that link also. You will having some homework there. do more and more practice related to this topic. I hope you people will do. Thank you. You people will do. Thank you.